Miamono mwancho murigereri bwegetaseni kia Ndizi TV na bwo bwansu bwo Gusii ngwege na nogenderete kwego kya kubwate mirobiri yonsi yeritko rya rero ekerorire ritko rya Jumatano etarike yemo y'umutinyo kabere umwaka bw'ekibibere na 2023 n'ekinga kingiya ekero cyaragire Chinsa Ikomi cyabona magoroba ekerongo kwarigania SMS ya Amayia iro nkumanyuna nara yaya na kwariganiriye asenchera ere yobenge rero ne ritko boigomora iwense Dr. William Samuel Ruto aikiranire asense ya Somalia bunenchiremo yogokora emeroberio ao gati yabo aso musangrekano bwoko kwanira igoro yoborendi egati yoro gusegati Chinsa chibere kinga kingiye kerongo kwariganya nabayo kwenyorera nabakogandira gotonyora sense mere ya Facebook wetra Ndizi TV News Digital asense mo ya YouTube otonyora wetra Ndizi TV News nabayiga so mutandao Twitter nabogo tweet wetra @Ndizi TV News iyo togendre gusanga manke eretariane Everlyne Osero tokubwatirana nere Joshua Auta kwene kyabuna wekera sense muyimenyerero kabana ntwe komweryo Mwancho marigari banongo kwariganito chake kurwase county ya Kisii asense moyoboremi awase ababwatani kurwase sense moyoboremi babeire bagwikirana ase ward ya sensi eyo utoka sebunge ya kitutu chache South eri gosangireria birengerero byabamenyane nabaremi kubwatikana nale baganetie abega korigererwa hunenchira yemo yogokinyo boremi
improve mambo ya milk collection and transportation pia maziwa kitambo walikuwa wanauza door to door, wanachukua kikombe asubuhi, na hii kikundi ya ushirikiano ni kikundi ambayo tumekuwa na wao kutoka mwaka wa 2014 kutoka waanze, na wakati huo tulikuwa pamoja na cooperative ya Marani Dairy ilikuwa inaanza, so wao walikuwa hii group ilikuwa affiliate group ya hiyo cooperative. So vile cooperative kidogo ikakuwa na changamoto zake kidogo wakapifia, but group iliendelea, wao wakaendelea na mambo ya milk marketing, and at that time walikuwa na handle around 40 liters of milk per day, but kupitia program ya ASDSP2 na county government tumeweza kushirikiana na wao katika mafundisho capacity building yote hiyo miaka yote, na wanaendelea kuimprove, wanaendelea kuprogress. Sasa hivi tunaona wamefika around 8 liters. The main challenge ilikuwa tu ni mambo ya transportation, kutoa maziwa kutoka hapa kupeleka Kegogi mpaka Niruka huko.
Ningana yogo ichani akorwase county ya Nyamira nerianga abamenyi bensemo ya Nyairisha yo toka se ward ya township imebunge ya West Mugrango nigo baboke mambia lero no muichano neye magega yo musbatyo yo mobwe miaka 15 nebere oyo agotebekana gutwaro muchando bwabongo atoka ga kwete ase cyagose aso mugondo bwechae kurengana nabamenyi benseme yo nige kagire koba nanigo musbatyo yo abete kago kururwa ekerobona betega gago kururwa nabo igo goikera ogoitwa kwaye
Marieta nensa muri Nyanumba oibombo wa Nyairo ayeke nyoreke ninjendenenerete uno mutureti bono lituka bono nabwakire bono mambia bona akerwe simi amana asaligire kenyora umwana uyo konye narware take abanyene ngonya kumusugurikira bale use nabwene bono koranga abaisi aba basalikire rero bakonywe meterie yo bamumirete bakamakorere kebe bakabona agasira bono utwale kwanje serikali etokonya manganaya abana basalikire bakonyinya sore kinyasore ikiri gwe abantu aba usemba poe batiga manganaya
Mobero nyagosira bono nigo rusi wa senseme yo nakoirwa weka sengendu yenyagetari ya Nyamira County Referral asabanyanyimbo bachakire obotuki oraboti orachkonyora senchera yo bwikiranu gekoragense ye moni Chinsa sato chia mogoroba togotikana nayo nigo yarokane na obotaka uborase chia mate au weireire abanke gokwomoyo aso kwegendereria samasomabo gose ase obugima bwabo ikenigo keireire omumroyo mo korwase ensemo ya buronye yo toka gioka sebunge ya Nyaribari chache kaunti ya Kisii kuimukia getambukiro yokugania kwerucio bomoyo aso wesungia korende agaikago konywa eyemaiga yomusao yokonyora gosekonyora max yechimisato emeronke 5 nerimo asa matemo manene class kya 5 na 3 KCP asekeria goteba bunanigo school fees ya moborire erioche kwegendereria na masomaye ase school ya secondary.
Samarieta ni Manuel Mukwa nimenyete ne familia abantu 9 abana ntole 7 na bayiboli ntogwate lakini ebintu byasinyire kona chagete ko primary na bana someiro bakon Musamaria gachaga nkonya primary bono igaikera na korra matemu na etire lakini bono bayiboli bane babwati kende barangire school igaikera decide neri Ndwense asengenjo timbe badeni asibale sengenjo baboli rupimba bwati kende barankonya
ono nje najiete karana rure kwerigeri inyora abana bandi bakono kumuburinga nkie kiogokora ono nkanyoro mwana orio ondore otenene isiko komenya kokota mama njorore Emmanuel ngochigocha Emmanuel agatama gochipara mate nkanyoro sungetia ngori ngaga ni buita sengenjo chibasi chabulira gochire
Omuchando obwo kubora ko burendi ni gogenderete kwenekiwa ase chinsemo ao imense ya Kenya egentono nyana bo kyaire no nabanke gusiria amagimabo no busaria ao kwenekiwa ekyo ni okeire mu waziri wo burendi bwa imekithure Kindiki ogotarira esemo ya Kiambai meye county ya Meru asabaga kumerana nabarai ao bakorawa no mugavana we county yo Kimani wa Matangi eryo kwanira igoro yo kubora ko burendi no butumiki bwa marwa atancheiri okwana chinga kyecho Kindiki nigateba bunamba begete mirubero ao yokwenekia buna abo bisabo burendi babeire bakobekwa na boigo kigali komentwa eryo kwenekia buna oburendi bwabeire bogotingiwa.
Tumesikia mambo ni mengi ambayo yametajwa hapa na mengine tutashirikiana na serikali ya county kwa sababu mambo mengine yako katika himaya ya serikali yetu ya county na mheshimiwa governor ameniambia yale ambayo yanahusu county amesikia na tatenda kulingana na vile mumemueleza. Kwa hivyo kwa upande wetu national government, sisi ambao tuko hapa kutoka national government tumesikia ya kwamba kupitia kwa wananchi na viongozi wenu ya kwamba tunahitaji kuimarisha usalama katika hii sehemu. County teams through the regional security team to organize needs assessment ndio tujue how many officers are required in this area so that we organize to deploy adequate officers from next month who will come and beef up security.
Nekiraba Kenya banke bagendrete konyoro muchando bwa mache ase chinsemo au nigo muwaziri bwa mache alswahome atebire buna serikali nebegete meroberio yokoenekia ase bali bamenyete emiche menene banyodra mache ase kerengo kiemia igoro yemia nabayigo ekerengo kiemeronke 5 nemo goika emeronke 5 nebere ase bali bamenyete ase binyoro okwana memo cho Nairobi chinga kyo musangirekano nababwatani korwa se wizara ya mache nigo bayigate na ekirenga kyabekenene no koenekia abana inchingo ikera bare amache amarabu nabo igo aserigo riororo.
Water is a major resource to the country's socio-economic development and achievement of Kenya Kwanza manifesto on reducing the cost of living, creating jobs and improving the livelihood of the people. Despite Kenya facing enormous challenge in meeting human and ecological needs for water, the government of Kenya is putting measures in place to ensure that there is 100% water coverage for every household by year 2030. Currently, and I'm sure it's maybe somewhere down the line, we are standing at around 70%, but in the rural areas a bit low at maybe 50, 53 going to 60, and our target is to reach 60 to 70 in the rural areas. But in towns, we target 100% by 2030. And in accordance with our constitution, of course, the responsibility to access water for every person is laid on the state, and I dare say also the county governments. We therefore look forward to meeting goal number 6 to ensure availability and sustainable management of water and sanitation for all.
Ekiombe kia banyagetari Kenya Medical Practitioners and Dentist Union KMPDU korawa n'umurikyo munene bw'ekiombe kyo Dr. Davjatela nigo bagosereire goche kogenda somogiro asekera bagoteba no gutekeraniwa kwa magani yabo kurengana na barabo nigo abanyagetari batayisaini ase kinyagetari egendo kerero bokorera burubube ase abananchi asibasabira serikali kwene kiabuna nkurigererie renganeyo.
Miaka 5 ambazo zimepita ni madaktari 500 tu ambao zimeandikwa nchi nzima, na ambao wale wametimu ni takriban 900 kila mwaka. Kwa hivyo tunao madaktari 1000 ambao hawajaandikishwa kazi, na hii inafanyika wakati ambao hospitali za umma zina struggle ambazo zina madaktari. Ukienda huko kama mwananchi utakaa masaa 8 ama masaa 12, na ikiwa kuna upasuaji utaongojea hadi miezi 3 au miezi 4 ili upate. Kwa hivyo tuna demand kwa serikali iweke mikakati ya kuandikisha madaktari kazini, jinsi wanavyoandikisha walimu, jinsi wanavyoandikisha polisi, ili wananchi wapate matibabu jinsi inavyotakikana.
Come March, if some of the issues are not raising here will not be implemented, we'll shut down. We'd rather stay home with our colleagues than pretend that we are working and we are just watching.
Abasbati nigo bagendrete gosemiwa igoro yo gwetanga se oburwaire bwa cervical cancer bwarokandire koba omuchando monene chinga iditkoryare nigo abarugi babagava se county ya Migori, county ya Kericho, Bungoma nabo igo Kisumu baba bagotwara umusangirekano gose gochakyo muroberi oyoboko rwaboseme gocyase abasbati ase baba borire weso kyasobonge eryo konyora oboringori bwa mapema na gokonyeka.
We're encouraging our women between the ages of 25 to 49 to go for screening, because if the disease is detected earlier, it can be prevented. We're also encouraging our men to encourage their women to go for the checkup, because we need a healthy family, and a healthy family cannot be there if the mother is unwell.
And we have joined hands together as first ladies that we want to make sure there is zero cancer in our Republic of Kenya, in our counties, and we champion this because we know it has taken many lives, our mothers, our children, our fathers, and how we wish that
aba MCA kurwase County Assembly ya Homa Bay nigo baitaberanire amarieta ya batatu abo bachoretwe koba aba member be board yobokoreri we serikali ye county ya Homa Bay wanachinga kyecho nigo baganiriye okoro eri wokinia oboro ase county ya Homa Bay.
Committee on Appointments recommends that Mr. Isaiah Oduoro be approved as the chairperson of Homa Bay County Public Service Board. Number 2, Mr. Speaker, that Mrs. Judith Wachianga Ojwa be approved and appointed as a member of Homa Bay County Public Service Board. Number 3, Mr. Speaker, that Mr. Joseph Utieno be approved and appointed as a member of Homa Bay County Public Service Board.
And in fact, none of them went below average. They did so well. So I want to say that this exercise, my colleagues, was not just a mere exercise. This is something that we should take with a lot of seriousness, because some of the work in the county is lagging behind because of the absence of these 3 people. So should we see it right, the way the majority leader has said, that we are pleading that we adopt this.
Abamenyi be county ya Mombasa ningo bagenderete gusegetwa kubwate Chinsa kiri kibwenderete eryo korenda ebinto byetana ine mwanya bantu anene nigo baboriwe kwenekia bunango tugutabare ubi ase abwenderete nenchire yemo yogotango watka kwa marore chingencho au.
Our first foray into the plastics challenge globally. There are not too many programs that we have in Africa yet, and so this was just an excellent opportunity to try something new. And for us, prioritizing informal settlements that informal settlements are a big priority. Engaging youth is a big priority. So this was just an amazing opportunity to partner with other organizations.
So inamaanisha vijana tayari wameshaingia katika biashara kubwa ya mambo ya taka. Itakapokuja mtambo huu wa kurecycle, I want hawa vijana ndio wao watapata nafasi ya kwanza kuplug into this. Hata hii story ya unemployment tutaondoa, sio? If we remove the story of unemployment, insecurity pia itaondoka, sio?
Wekirega bano mancho murigereri nongo korera Amayia ya Chinsa Ikomi asenchera ere yobwenge korende inyora amanke no chikanyora asenchera yobwekiranu gekoraga enseyemo nabayigo Chinsa isato nere Vincent Onyancha inyora nabakondera gotonyora se ensemere ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube tonyora wetra Ndizi TV News nabogo tweet wetra @Ndizi TV News boigase website ito nigora tonyora wetra www.ndizitv.or.ke eretari ane Everlyne Osero twabwatirana nere Joshua Auta kwenekia wikeira sense mwe imenyererio twaroburigereri borobya nabayigo emagoroba erentoereru.